Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a really delicious cherry ripe smoothie bowl. So for this recipe you need 1 scoop of your Happy Way triple chocolate fudge protein powder. However, you can also use just plain chocolate if that's what you have at home. I'm going to be using a tablespoon of cacao powder. I've got a cup here of pitted frozen cherries. I'll be using 1 cup of frozen banana. However, if you don't want to use banana in your smoothie bowl, you can use avocado and zucchini to thicken it up and make it nice and creamy. I've got a cup here of ice. I've got some shredded coconut, which I'm just going to use for the topping, and then I've got a tablespoon here of cacao nibs. Now, to make this recipe, I'm just going to chuck all of these ingredients, including my milk, minus my shredded coconut, into my blender, and I'm going to blend it until it's really thick and creamy. And then I'm going to pop it into my smoothie coconut bowl and then top it with my desiccated coconut.